Good evening, everyone.
Hi, Arpita.
Anyone else going to join? Last week I have given some assignment. You guys have completed that one?
Hi, Arpita. I haven't completed that. So sorry.
Anyone else is completed?
I did it.
Okay, so you are able to do everything?
Yeah.
Okay. What about others?
I'll send it after the class, Arpita.
Okay, no, you have done it, then show it to me. Share your screen and show it to me.
No, I didn't do. I'll do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about others?
Even I didn't do, but I'll share in tomorrow something, Arpita. Weekends it was too tough to catch up. Sorry.
Okay, what about others?
Yeah, even I didn't
No.
do it.
Arpita. Actually, we will do in during this holidays and we will submit Arpita without fail.
Okay, fine. Any doubt in the last class, whatever we have covered?
No, Arpita.
So what are the set operator? What are the set operator?
Union all intersect except.
Union all, intersect, except. So what is the difference between union and union all?
Union combines data from two tables and it's remove duplicates. But union all, it don't remove the duplicate, but it will combine two tables. And the intersect it will retrieve the
Common
identical records. And except means
Yeah, except is what? Except will give the data present in the, it is present in the table A but missing in the table B. Similarly, if you do B except A, it will give you present in the table B but missing in the table A. Suppose you want to find out anytime mismatch record, then you can use except. It will identify the mismatch record between two tables. Okay. Then what are the type of constraint? What are the type of constraint?
Primary key.
unique.
Unique, not null, default.
Yes.
Primary, foreign key.
Foreign key,
Check.
primary key, check.
Check constraint.
Okay, so what unique constraint does?
I'm sorry?
What unique constraint does?
It only allows values.
To the particular column where we have defined unique constraint.
Unique const.
Unique constraint will allow only unique record for the table, and one table can have more than unique constant. It doesn't allow duplicate value, but it can allow the null value. So what is the difference between the primary key and unique constraint?
Primary
It not
cannot
null,
allow null values.
Null values.
Null and duplicate
And
values.
it's unique.
And it's
primary,
unique.
Yeah, and foreign key.
Primary key can be applied at a table level and column level.
Okay.
In case of
Uh,
unique constraint, it allows only the unique value to particular table.
Okay, what about the foreign key?
Foreign key is the primary key of the another table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, it will be the
It
primary
allows
key, but it acts as a foreign key for other than its table.
Another table.
Okay. Okay. So what is check constraint?
It will check the
the
value
condition
range in the column.
It will check the particular condition. If some condition is there, it will satisfy the condition while inserting the data. What is not null constraint?
Do not allow
we
you
give
to enter null values to the column where used. We have
Not null
Not null.
constraint.
Yes.
And what about default constraint?
Used to set a default value
if you're
for a
not
column.
giving any value to the column or a row, it gives the default value.
Default values. Okay. What are the type of joins?
Left, right, self,
Inner, outer,
yes, outer.
So what is inner
inner,
join?
outer.
What is inner join? What is inner join?
It will pick only
It will take
common.
the common data of both the table.
It will take the common record. Then what is left join?
Left join, it returns all records from the left table and matched records from the right.
And what is right join?
It returns
Solved
Take
from
It
the
will returns
table
all the
and
records from the right
matching
side and
right
matching
table
records
as
from
well
the
as
both
from
the
left
tables.
side.
the left table.
What is full join?
All the
It returns all the records
all the records.
from
left or right.
both the tables.
Both the tables.
It records all the matching record and unmatched record from both the tables. Then what about self join?
It will join the records from the same table.
Same table.
Joining the table itself is called self join. What is cross join?
Yeah, it is A into B.
It is a Cartesian product of both the
Cartesian.
tables.
Yes, yes.
If you have two tables, A and B, then it is a Cartesian product of both the tables. Suppose A have 3 rows and B has 4 rows, then Cartesian product will be A cross B, 3 multiplied by 4. So you will be getting 12 records as a output. What are the type of functions we have covered so far?
Functions.
We have covered left, right, trim, L trim, right, R trim, substring, car index. Then we have covered convert functions,
Uppercase,
task, upper, lower.
lower.
Then we have covered convert
Null if
Reverse.
is null, reverse. Then we have covered collage function. What collage function does? Collage functions will retrieve first not null values from the expression. Suppose in a column you have multiple values will be there in your column, but maybe that column have some null values. So you do not want to show the null values to the user. So in that case, you need to write a collage statement. It will write like select collage. Then you need to write that column name. Suppose you have 2-3 values, then you put that collage. If the first expression is not null, then it will give you the first expression. If the second expression is not, if the first expression is null and second expression is not null, then it will retrieve the second expression like this. It will collage function will retrieve the first not null values from the table. Okay, what about the What about the is null functions? Is null functions will convert the it will convert the null values to the actual value. Suppose if you have some zero, if you have some amount field where which has null is present in that column, you want to, instead of null doesn't make any sense if you'll build any report. So instead of showing null, we generally show it as a zero. So in that case, you can convert that is using is null functions. You can convert that amount filled into the null part to the zero. So you use is null functions. Now coming to the convert functions will be like cast functions and convert functions. Cast functions, you want to convert any data type, like if you want to convert from n varchar to varchar to date, then you need to write cast column name as that particular data type with the data type length. For date, no need to provide any data type length, but for other like varchar, even float, you no need to provide, but decimal, varchar, and varchar, you need to provide particular data type length. Now coming to the next functions, that is the convert function. Convert functions is same as a cast function, but there should be a value. Suppose 101 is followed for the some particular date format like that. And we have also covered some date functions. So what are the date functions we have covered?
This
Date
date,
name, date part, date difference, date add, date parts from parts.
Yeah, suppose you want to add some duration to the current date. Suppose you want to, from current date, you want to calculate some values. Like you want to, current date is today is your, I think 18th December. Suppose you want to retrieve the sales amount for the future. Then what you need to do, you need to add date, you add functions and you need to provide the durations for that. Like you can provide 1 month, 2 months, some days, year, whatever. Similarly, dated function can be used to calculate the like backdated data. Like you want to search the date, you want to calculate the sales amount for 3 years back or 1 month back. You can put in date duration as a -1, and whatever the durations, like it is day or month, you can provide there. What are the date difference? Suppose you want to calculate the sales difference, sales amount difference for the two consecutive date, like from today's date and day before yesterday's date. So you can use date difference to calculate the date difference between the two consecutive date. Similarly, date part, suppose you want to retrieve any year, month, day name or something, you can use date part functions. You can also use year, month to retrieve the data, like year, month, you want to, from date you want to retrieve the data, only year part you want to retrieve, then you can use year functions. Clear? Now today will be I'll be teaching you the Windows functions. So what are the type of Windows functions? Windows functions are very important. It will be an analytical functions. Every time you will be using it. Windows functions are of 5 types. One is row number. Then second is rank, dense rank. Then fourth is lead and lag. Okay. So what is a row number functions? Let's discuss about row number. Suppose this, let me put it in a sheet, name and marks and the row number. Suppose you have a thing is okay. Then Okay, so row number function will give you what? Irrespective of whatever the values, it will give you the conjugative values. Like it will be giving you the incremental value. Like even though the values are same, but it will give you the incremental values. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 till this. It will give you the incremental values. Like it will give you the incremental values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even those the values are same for the particular user, but you will be getting in row number, you will be getting the conjugative values for this particular row number function will give you the conjugative values. So what row number? Row number assign unique integer to each row within a window starting from one of the first row. It will give you the incremental value. It will give the unique value for each of the records. So this is row number functions. It gives unique record to each of the values. So row number functions, row number gives unique record to each value, each row within the window. So this is row number function. So how to write row number function in SQL? Let me open the SSMS. This is how to write the row number functions. Let me show you. So let me check this table. What is the data? Okay. Now we need to write row number function. So how to write the row number functions? Just write, select name. We have score, comma, row number. Okay. Then ordered by. Ordered by what I'm doing? With score. So I need to write order by score descending. Okay. As row number. You can give any alias. It's up to you. Row number from, what is the table name? dbo.student. So this will give you the row number for each of the records. See, it is giving consecutive the number starting from the 1, irrespective if the scores are same, also you are getting from incremental value 1 to 7 within the windows. How many records are there? We have 7 records are, all the records will get unique values. This is the row number functions. Okay. Next is the rank. Yeah. Anyone has doubt?
No, Arpita.
Okay. Next is the rank function. So rank function, what it does? Suppose if you'll see over here in rank functions, what it does? If you have, suppose these two users, it has same values. So what rank function will give? It will give you the same, assign same values to this particular user, which is have the same values. But this 9 Geeta, it's supposed to start with the 2, but they have assigned these two values, one to the same two user because they are scoring the same mark. So instead of starting with the Geeta 2, it will start with 3. Similarly, if we'll go here, it will get 4, but this particular user, they will get 5. Here they will get 4, but this user will get 5, but this user supposed to get 6 as per the row number. So what rank function will do? It will skip 6. It will assign 7 to this particular user. So what rank function does? Rank function assign a rank to each row within a window with ties receiving the same rank. See, here we have ties. These two marks are ties. So it will be getting the same rank. And the next rank being skipped. The next rank will be skipped. We are skipping the 2. Suppose you will be having like here again 92 is there, then again you will come as a 1 and this next record will come as a 4. It will skip the next ranking value. For example, if 2 rows has same value and assigned to the rank of 2, then the next row will be assigned as a 4. Okay. So if two values like see Ankit and Ram has same marks 92. So they are getting the same rank 1 1. But Geeta, she has 91. So she's supposed to get the rank number 2, but these two guys are getting same rank. So with rank function, this rank 2 will get skipped. It will come as a 3. Similarly, Hari got rank 4. Rosa got rank 5. But Charlie is also getting rank 5 because Charlie and Rosa has same marks. But again, Akash supposed to get rank 6, but it is skipping one rank because Charlie and Rosa both are holding the same rank. So Charlie is supposed to get 6, but as their marks are ties, so he is getting 5 and Akash is getting 7. So how to write rank functions? So rank functions will be...
Arpita, I have a doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
So it skips the value if the scores are same twice, right? Or
Not twice, not twice. If it is thrice also, suppose we are inserting one more record, okay? Let's insert your record something like Rosa, okay? So Rosa is getting 92. Again, this person will be getting, this person will be getting 1 and Geeta will be getting 4. So if suppose 10% is having same rank, so they will assign same rank to that particular all 10 users. Okay, but after the 10 values, the next user will be assigned 11th number rank.
okay, got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
It is like that. So rank functions, next is I'll teach you how to write the rank function. The same way how you have written the...
Arpita,
yeah?
1 minute, Arpita. Can you give me the definition, Arpita?
Definitions. Definition is the rank function assigned rank to each row within a window. See, here it is assigning each row, sorry. Here they are assigning each rank to the each row in the each row. Okay, but within a window with tie receiving the same rank. These all are getting same rank because they are ties. They are having same marks they achieved. So they are getting same rank. If two rows have same value and assigned a rank of 2, if two rows have same value, I have assigned to 1, then the next row will be assigned a rank of 4. See, these 3 are getting 1. So it's supposed to, see, if it is row number, then it should get like, it should get the values. It should get the values. If it is a row number function, this particular person should get 4, right? But these in rank function, these 3 are getting same value. So 1, 2, 3. So next value is 4. So they are skipping 2 and 3 because these 3 are getting, these 2 are getting, instead of 2, 3, they are getting the same rank. So next will be the 4. If you are getting the same values, whatever the rows you are skipping it, next it will get incremental. Like if you are skipping 2, here we are skipping 2, 3. So 2, 3 again, it will not come. It will go to the next values 4. Okay, like that it is. Clear or anyone has any doubt?
Got it.
Rank function. Okay. So how to write rank functions? So next is, okay, score. Then you will write rank over order by rank descending as row rank. Sorry, not rank descending. Marks descending, score descending. Score descending rank from dbo.student. So this is the rank function status. If we'll see, here I'm getting the same rank. These all has same values. So they are getting 1 till Bob, John, Dave, Eve, all has same values. So they have assigned 1, 2, 3, 4. But after 4 record, not getting 2, I'm getting 5th. It is giving the next conjugative value. So this Andrew and Alice has the same values. So they are getting 5. So then I'm skipping 6. I'm getting the next one is Charlie. Is the 7th. So rank function is clear for everyone, or anyone has doubt?
Understood.
Okay. So let's go to the dense rank function. So what dense rank function do? Dense rank function assign a rank to each row within a window, with tie receiving the same rank, the next rank being the conjugative. For example, if we'll go here, it is dense rank now. So dense rank functions, what it will do? It will, suppose this 3% has same values, so rank will give the same values to the 3%. But Geeta, instead of getting 4 in dense rank, it will give the conjugative value. It will get 2 only. Similarly, Hari, it will get 3. Similarly, these two people will get 4. But this person will get the 5. Even though they have same values, they will get this say if the person has same values, they have scored same mark, they will get the same rank. But in rank, it was skipping the values. But here you will get the conjugative values. That is the difference between rank and dense rank. Clear? Anyone has any doubt on the rank, dense rank, row number?
Arpita, can you explain dense, please, again?
Dense rank, what you will do, it will not skip any values. If 3 has same values, it will assign same rank to those values. Then instead of skip, see, in rank we used to skip the value, right? We are assigning same values to the 3. Like if someone has ties, then we are assigning same values to them. Then we are skipping the value. Instead of assigning rank 2 to this, we used to provide rank 4. But in this case, it will not skip any values. It will provide conjugative values. Even though they have ties, the next value they will get. That is the dense rank.
Yes, got it.
Okay. So dense rank, if you'll see over here, see, dense rank function assign rank to each row within a window with ties receiving the same rank and the next rank being conjugative. For example, if 2 rows have same values and are assigned to the rank 2, then the next rows will be assigned rank 3. You can see here the next row is assigned rank 3. If 2 rows have same values, like 90, Bob and John has a score is 92, they have assigned 1, but Dev has got rank 2. They are getting the next conjugative values if they have this ties. So how to write rank dense rank functions? The same way, select name, score, dense rank, over, order by score descending as dense rank from dvo.student. Okay. So if you'll see over here, I'll be getting for these 3 values, Bob, John, Dave, and Eve. They have got rank 1. But Andrew is the next one. He got rank 2. Alice is the rank 2. Charlie is rank 3. So this is the values for the dense rank. It will give you the conjugative values. So what row number function does? Row number function will give the unique values to each row. Rank will give the if it is ties, it will give the same rank, but it will skip the next two values and give the next value. It will skip the values and assign the next values to the particular rows. And dense rank, if the ties is there, they will assign the same values to it, but the next row will get the conjugative values. So this is the difference between rank, dense rank, and row number. So anyone has any doubt for the rank, dense rank, and row number?
No, Arpita.
Okay, so you sometimes you will get any questions like you need to find the employee salary, and you need to like department wise salary. You need to find the department wise rank, salary rank. So in that case, how to do it? Department wise salary. You need to, someone will ask you, you want to show me the second highest department wise salary. Okay, some you will get like this. Okay, let's discuss one more. You will be come across this questions like second highest salary. You would have been come across this question. This is a very important question. Every interview they will ask second highest, third highest, fourth highest, fifth highest, like that. So before explaining this, I will explain one more concept called CTE. CTE stands for Common Table Expression. CTE is a common table expression. So what CTE function does? CTE is basically is a virtual table. It will exist till your session exists. It will not exist inside the DB until your session exists. This functions will be exist. When your session will out, this functions will also out. Generally, whenever you are planning to write any complex logic, then we use CTE functions. So CTE is basically, it is a common table expression. It is a virtual table. It is exists till our session exists. That is the CTE's functions. Now coming to the second highest salary. So how to write CTE function, I'll teach you over here. So second highest salary we need to find for the employee. Okay, so how to write the second highest salary? Select star from, let me see, I have any table. Let's see what is the data with this. Yeah, let's go ahead with this. So I need to write second highest salary. Here, I'll be using like select employee name, department ID, okay, employee name and salary will take one more scenario for department. So dense rank over order by salary descending from employee. Okay, as rank. Let's run this first. I'm getting the rank for everything. Now I need to find second highest salary. So how to write the second highest? For I'll use CT function. How to write CT function? Just mark. Just notice with CTE edge. We'll write that much. Okay. Then you open a bracket and close the bracket after dbo.emp. Now you need to write a select statement after that. Like select star from CTE where I need to get second highest salary. So I need to write where rank equal to 2. So here you will be getting your second salary, which is as second salary. So Rohit and Akash as the second highest salary. So you will be writing like this. Let me put this data into an Excel and I'll explain you. So if we'll go over here, this is the employee. So if you'll see, if we'll order it in a descending order, so let me order it in a descending order. So which is our first salary? This is our first salary, highest salary. Then this is my second highest. I'm using dense rank. So it will be getting the same values. Then this particular will be getting the same values. Then this will get fourth rank. This will get fifth. Then sixth. Then this will be, both will be getting 7. This is according to the dense rank. Okay. So according to, you can use rank also, but I'm using dense rank over here. You can use rank function also. So here if you'll see, my second highest salary is 12,000. So this is this sort of questions you will be getting it. Can anyone help me to get the fifth highest salary? Can anyone help me to write the 5th highest salary?
Select star from CTE.
No, not like that. First you
Yes.
need to write. First we'll write the main body, okay? Like select EMP ID also let's take. EMP name.
Salary.
Salary.
EMP name. Then we get salary. Salary. Comma. You need to use, let's use rank function, okay? Rank. Then you need to put 2 brackets like this. Over. Then order by
salary.
Descending, okay, as rank from DBO dot employee EMP. Now top of this we'll write the CT function. So how to write CT function? With. With is very important with CT. With. You instead of CT you can write with EMPs. Anything you can use. Whichever is applicable for your query. With EMPs I am writing. Okay. Now you what you'll do? You'll write select star from EMP where rank equal to 5. This is a very, very important questions. Every interview they will ask you, I do not have any rank as 5. Let's put it 3. So every interview they will ask to find it out. I do not have any data. Let me see. Let's start from. Should have the data, right? Okay, rank I do not have. Let me put 4. I'm getting big. Instead of rank, let's use dense rank. So 4th highest salary is Sanjay. If you'll see over here, our 4th highest salary is Sanjay. So I'm getting here. So this is a very important one. You need to use this CT functions and write the dense rank. Use dense rank and whichever highest salary for second highest, third highest, 5th highest, 6th highest, whatever they will put, you will just put in where rank equal to that much value, and rest of the syntax will be same. So this is a very important question. Or every interview, whenever they will ask SQL question, they will ask join and these questions. It is very important questions. Similarly, sometimes they will ask department-wise salary, highest salary, second highest salary department-wise. Second highest salary department-wise, second highest salary. Second highest salary. So how to find it out? Well, it's also very easy. The same way you write select EMP ID. Sorry, we do not want ID column. Let it be. You can take it, but I do not want to take. Employee name, department ID, then salary. Okay. Then we'll use dense rank. Then over. Then here what we'll do, you'll use partition by. Partition by what we're partitioning based on the department ID. Okay. And order by salary descending as dense rank from dbo.emp. Okay, if you'll see here, you will be getting department-wise salary. See, department ID 100. 100 has 15,000 salary, so it will get first rank. This 100 has 1,000 salary, they are getting 2. Now 200. Within the department, it will find it out, which is the second highest salary. Okay, so these department-wise, 10,000 is my department ID 100, 10,000 is my second highest salary. Department ID 200, I have 9,000 is my second higher salary. Department ID 300 has only one value, so they got rank 1. Department ID 400, it has only one value, it got rank 8,000. So clear this department-wise salary one. Guys, it is clear or you have any doubt? Hello? Guys, are you able to understand?
Yes, Arpita.
So now what you will do, you need to write again the CT functions to get the second highest salary for department wise. So here I'll write with department as select star from EMP where dense rank equal to 2. So it will give you me the values. It will give me the values, sorry, why? Dense rank will not give export rank. It will give you department as second highest salary. So because 100 is it's in department ID, his salary is 10,000. So he is getting that. Sanjay is 200, it is 9,000. So it is the second highest salary for 200 department ID. The first one is 100. The second highest salary is Vikas and Ankit. They have 10,000 as the salary. So his rank function is clear for, this particular rank, dense rank and row number function is clear for everyone?
Yes, Arpita.
Okay. Similarly, if you have something you want to remove the duplicates record, so use this also, you can do it. Suppose a table has duplicate records. For example, I need to put one table which has duplicate records. Let me see. Do I have any table which has duplicate records? No. What about this table? Mm. Okay, let me create a table to insert duplicate records. So this is a table I have created. Now let's put it, insert into HR details. Values. So I have inserted this many records to this particular table. I've inserted this particular rows to this table. Now we'll put this, select star from, what is my table name? HR details. So if I'm taking that HR details, so select star from HR details, you will see I have this many records. Let's put it in the Excel sheet. Now I need to remove the duplicate record from these tables. So there are multiple ways to remove the duplicate record. Let's see all the ways. First, you can use the count star and you can do it. Remove duplicate record. Identifying the duplicate record. Okay. So identifying duplicate record. Duplicate record. How we'll do it? Now you can write select EMP ID, EMP name, comma, age, comma, date of joining, comma, count star from HR details. So we need to put group by all these columns. Whichever is in select statement, you need to put it in the group by. Having count star greater than 1. So if you put like this, you'll be getting duplicate. Sorry, what happened? Count star. Count star EMP ID, EMP name. EMP ID is not there. Put it. ID. Incorrect statement from. Why? Due to Chinese spelling. See? Again. Acha, select I have not written properly. Comma, count star. Count star. Okay. So if you'll see, if I'll do like this, it will show me what are the duplicate records. Okay. So it will show me the duplicate records. This is my duplicate records. As do count I'll put. This is my duplicate record. Okay. So this I got the duplicate record based on this values. So if you can see over here, how many duplicate records I have. If I'll put it over here, see I have these particular rows. This particular row is this particular row is the duplicate. This is the duplicate. Then these two rows are duplicate. I have two duplicates like Arpita and Ram. This is duplicates. Rest of the things are unique record. So whenever I'm running this query, I'm getting two records. Now I need to delete these duplicate records from the table. Okay. Before that, let me put a backup because I need to show you. Okay, so now I need to delete this duplicate. So how we'll do it? With do as so let's start from do.
In
Where?
select statement, we have written dup NT. What is that?
I've given an alias. See, this count star, right? If I'll not give this alias, right? It will give you only unknown column name, no column name. So to avoid that, I have given an alias. Okay.
Okay.
Every time whenever you are creating any table, just a column, you give an alias. Or else it will show you that you do not have any alias, like no column name, it will come. Right? Do count equal to 2. Okay. Let's see. I'm getting this. Now I need to delete the record. So instead of select star, I will use delete from. So if you see, use this, cannot update the view function the way it can contain the distinct group by clause, pivot or on pivot. Let me see what is the issue. Let's try another way. I can do it using exist, but I didn't teach you because in will not work in it because we are selecting multiple columns, right? So in will not work. So in will work only for the single values, but I do not want to do the single. Then I need to do one more software. So that I do not want to do now. We'll see the delete will check in the rank function using that because here I need to use exist, but I didn't teach you the exist. So next one more way how to remove the duplicates using rank functions. Select star from HR details backup. So here you can see this HR detail backups I'm taking. So with the rank or dense rank functions, we'll be getting it. So how to do it? Select EMP ID, EMP name, comma edge. So if I'm doing partition by with this, then I'm getting only one values for everything. So you can see here, I am getting the same values for this. Now I need to put As of now, you can learn using count star. I'll see how we can do it through the rank and dense rank, how to delete the duplicate record. Here I'm not able to figure it out, why it is not working. Like how to delete the duplicate record, we can use using exist. That I'll be teaching you in the next class. That time I'll show you how to delete the duplicate record using the count star. Exist I have not teach you, so I cannot use exist now. And here I cannot use in conditions because here multiple rows are there in the select state. Sorry, multiple columns are there in the select statement. So we cannot use in. So I cannot, sorry, we cannot use in. I need to use exist. But once I'll teach you the exist, that time I'll show you. But in this way, you can identify the duplicate records. You can select all the columns, use count stars and from HR details, and you can write having count star greater than 1 and get the duplicate records. Now we have two more concepts, that is lead and lag. So lead and lag, how it will use. Lead will give you the next values. Like suppose we have a table, like select star from dbo.seller. So if we'll see over here, dbo.seller has these values. If we'll see here, dbo.seller has the seller name and seller values. So what lead function will give you? It will give you the next values for this next values for this particular table. So 1200 is there. Lead will get 25,000 is the next. My conjugative value for the next in this table is 25,000. So I'll be getting 25,000. Then next is 7,000. This I'll be getting using lead functions. And this, why you use lead? Sometimes you need to figure it out the variance between these two conjugative rows. So in this case, you can take this difference of this and calculate the variance percentage. So in that case, you can use lead function. So how lead work in here? If you need to write select seller name. What is this? Select seller. I think this is sales function. So we have seller name, comma, sales value, comma, lead, sales value, underscore value over order by sales value descending from dbo.seller. Sales values, right? Yeah, you can put it here as a next value. Here, lead functions basically will give you the next year values. So lead function basically give you the next values. So what lead function does, you can see over here, lead functions will give you the next values of that particular value. Suppose you have like 7,000, 12,000, 25,000. So the next value will be my 12,000, then 15, 25,000, and the next sales value will be null. It generally used, lead function will be used. It's an analytical functions. Whenever you want to calculate the difference of sales between 2 years or something, you need to use percentage. If you want to calculate the variance percentage, then you can use lead functions. Similarly, lag functions will be doing, it will give you the previous year values. Like lag functions, same way you need to use, it will give you the previous values. Select the seller names, then sales value. Instead of lead, you need to use lag. Lag sales value. Then over order by the sales value descending. H previous value from DBO.seller. So you will see over here, you will be getting the previous value. Like for me, previous value for 25,000, nothing is there. So it is null. But 12,000, previous values was 25,000. So you'll be getting 7,000. It was 12,000. So you'll be getting with the previous value. So anyone has any doubt with rank, these all Windows functions, rank, dense rank, row number, lead, and lag?
Can you repeat just lead and lag, Arpita?
Lead and lag will give you, lead functions will give you the next values, whatever is present in the row. What is the next value? Suppose here in this particular table, this is your first row, this is your second row, this is your sales value. So what is there in the next row? 12,000 is there. So lead will give you the 12,000 as the next sales value. Okay. And 12,000 and 7,000 is there. Next row, 7,000 is there. So it will give you the 7,000 as your next values in the lead functions. Whereas lag functions will give you the previous value. Suppose, let me take this particular table. Copy this. Yeah. If you'll see here, see, this is your first value. Like this is your first value to 12,000. Suppose you are using the lead value, you will be getting the next values. That is your next row's values. Whatever the next row sales amount, that will be getting using the lead functions. Okay. Why use lead and lag? To calculate the variance. Like year-wise sale is there. Suppose you have year and the sales amount is there. Okay. Sales amount is there. So year 2012, you have like sales amount is 4,000. Then you have to 2013, it is 5,000. Then you have 2016, 2014, it is 6,000. So then consecutively 2015, it is 7,000. You want to see the variance of these particular years. Like this year, it is 4,000. Next year, what will be there? So you can find it out here as a 5,000 using the lead functions. And this is the lead function. Then you calculate the variance. What is the sales difference between two consecutive years? So you will be getting this, rather getting in the next row with lead functions, you will be getting in the same row, and you calculate the variance between the two consecutive values for 2013 and 2012 using lead functions. Whereas lag functions, what it will do? It will give you the previous year value. Suppose 4,000, there is no previous data, year's data available in our table. So it will be coming as a null. But for 2013, you have previous year data. 2014 is there. So 2012 is there. So you will be getting 4,000. 2014, your previous year data, 5,000 is there. So you will be getting here 5,000. Similar 2015, your previous year's data 6,000 is there. So here you will be getting 6,000. After that, you can calculate the sales difference between these consecutive years. So this is about lead and lag function. Are you able to understand or still you have doubt?
Clear, Arpita.
Okay. So try to complete that assignment. I'll be giving some more assignment related to these Windows functions and joins, all these stuffs. You can try to do it in your like vacations you will be getting, right? That time you can try to do it and read the ETL concept, because after completing this sequel, I'll be moving to again ETL, and there I'll be using all this terminology. If you're not able to understand, if you'll not read that all the documents, you cannot able to understand. So please go through the document, try to understand, because I think another 2 class for these all stuffs, then I'll be moving to the ETL concept, but that is after the vacation. So in vacation, you'll read all this thoroughly of all this ETL concept and SQL part. You will be doing some practical part of things after the vacations. Okay.
Okay, Arpita.
So whoever was having issues with the installations, it is done, or you are still facing the issue?
Yes, Arpita. It's not getting connecting to the server actually. To the client, sorry.
So installation is done, but you are not able to connect it.
Yes, Arpita.
So
Same
whatever
for
error
me
you are getting, just take the screenshot and send it to me. Let me check what is the issue with that.
On the
Yeah,
group.
sure, Arpita, sure.
QA group?
Yeah, in a Q group you can send it. Let me check what is the issue.
Yeah, sure, Arpita.
Okay. And whoever is, you guys can do it with Postgres also. Whoever is not compatible with SQL Server, you can use Postgres. Here and there, little bit syntax difference will be there, but you can do it. Use in the Google instead of this function, what functions can be used in Postgres. So accordingly, you need to modify. Almost everything will be same, but here and there, little difference will be there. Okay.
Do you know Workbench,
Yes, okay.
Arpita? Can I do it
See,
in Workbench
MySQL,
also?
yeah, you can do it in MySQL Workbench also.
Okay.
Anything is fine.
In that Workbench top will not work. Top and page also.
No, that there it will not work. I think their limit will work. Just check
Yeah,
limit.
limit
In
will
Postgres,
work. Yeah.
in
Top and
Postgres
page.
also limit works. See,
Yeah.
in only SQL Server top works, but Oracle and all everywhere limit works. Okay, fine. Any doubt, or we'll wrap up for today? Okay, fine. So who all are absent today? I think Devina is absent. Anyone else? One more person, I think. Prachi is not there, I believe, right?
Yes, I am here, Arpita.
Oh, Prachi, you are there. And who else is not there? Pranita?
Pranita is not there.
Okay, fine. So Devina and Pranita is not there. You guys are 8 or 9?
9.
9. Then one more person. One more person who is not there.
So 7 people are here already.
Yes.
Yeah. 7 are there. No, 7, not 7. 3, 3, 6. Yeah, 7 are there. Yes, 7 are there. Okay, fine. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Try to go through it, whatever Windows function I teach you today, so that you will get an idea.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you for attending.
Thank you, Arpita.
Thank you, Arpita.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.